Okay, good morning, second piece students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Complete the exercise 11.1. So now today we are going to the next concept, very important concept, and maximum 100% 2 marks question and 2 marks question and 3 marks question exercise. The totally concept, each and every one important. Each and every one is a formula. In the Cartesian form, vector form, both are there. Every equation, line equation. The topic is lines topic. The lines, equation of a line in space, two types. Equation of a line in space, two types. A line uniquely determined of first point. It passes through a given point and has given direction. Has given direction means vector. Okay. Passes through a given point. Passes through a point and a given direction. And passes through the point and vector. This is the first line equation. Next, second one, it passes through two points. This is two types of lines. So what is the formula? First, very important. This is the 2 marks. Two marks question, angle between the two lines. So this is the passing through the point and a direction, passing the 2 points. These two topics and angle between the two vectors per topic. The three topics came from 2 marks question. Okay, listen carefully. Only formulas. After that, a theorem is there. This is one of the theorem, 5 marks theorem. This one, both. Proof is also there. Okay, proof is also there. The proof I will explain last. Okay. So first one, equation of a line through a given point and direction means what? And parallel to a given vector. One point and one parallel vector. Parallel is nothing but A and B are parallel means A is equal to lambda into B. Parallel means some constant into parallel, collinear. These are. So equation of a line through a given point and parallel to a given vector, point to parallel vector. What is the formula? R bar is equal to, R bar is nothing but equation of a vector. Vector form, Cartesian form, both are there. Vector form in terms of vectors A bar, B bar. Cartesian form in terms of x, y. x1, y1, xy, z and so. So R bar is equal to A bar. The point is nothing but one vector, one position vector. Suppose I, j, k, I plus j plus k vector. I, j, k is a point. So I plus j plus k. 1, 1, 1 is a point. 1, 1, 1 is a point. A point is converted into the vector. How to convert? 1 into I plus 1 into j plus 1 into k. I plus j plus k. 2, 3, 4 is a point. 2, 3, 4 is a point is nothing but position vector. 2, 3, 4. 2i plus 3j plus 4k. So a point is converted into one vector and parallel or vector is given. So R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Very important. Okay, passing through the point and parallel to the vector. What is the question in the exercise? Find the equation of a vector. Find the equation of a vector passing through the point and parallel, passing through the point to 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector B bar is equal to some I plus j plus k something. This is given point. So R bar is equal to A bar. Point is converted into the vector plus lambda into direct vector, given vector. This is a formula 1 mark and substitution. A bar and B bar. Both the substitution 1 mark. Totally 2 marks question, important one. Next, Cartesian form. Cartesian form in terms of x, y, z, x1. Okay. So Cartesian form, already point is given. The equation of a line passing through a point. Point is nothing but x1, y1, z1. So here x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. The position vector is nothing but is a point, and any vector is nothing a b c. For example, 2i plus 3j plus 4k. 2, 3, 4 are the direction ratios. Direction ratios. The direction ratios are denoted by A, B, C. So point is nothing but x1, y1, z1. The vector b bar is nothing but A, B, C. Okay, clear? Next one. Second one, equation of a line passing through two given points. Passing through two given points. Two given points, the first point can be converted into a bar, the second point converted into b bar. So b bar minus a bar, a r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. The first point is nothing but a bar and second point is nothing but b bar. The both vector is there, and apply the formula. Formula 1 mark, substitution 1 mark. Okay. Cartesian form. The first point is nothing but x1, y1, z1. Second point is nothing but x2, y2, z2. Substitute the formula. So here ABC are the direction cosines. Here ABC are the direction cosine. What is the equation of a vector line? Equation of a line x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z by z. So here L, M, N are the direction cosines of the line. L, M, N are the direction cosines of a line. The equation of a line is x minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N. Here ABC badulu L, M, N. This is the two formulas. 2 into 2, 4. Cartesian. This is very easy, but difficult one is confusion formula. Cartesian form, vector form. Cartesian, each one have the Cartesian form, vector form. So vector form, which formula we can apply? So which formula? Cartesian form, which formula we can apply? Then vector form, which formula? Formula is confusion. So very easy, but formulas confusion. So vector equation means in terms of vectors. Cartesian means in terms of x, y, z only, not r bar, b bar, I, j, k. Okay, remove the I, j, k. Okay. Next, angle between the two lines. 2 marks question. Angle between the two lines. So for example, directly L1 and L2 be the two lines so passing through the origin with the direction ratios. Direction ratios are directly given. Suppose 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. These two are direction ratios. Find the angle between the direction ratio. Direction ratios is nothing but lines, not point A, but point. Direction ratios and direction cosines are nothing but lines. So directly A1 direction cosines are directly given. Formula, 3-dimensional geometry formula, A1, A2, first one into first one, plus second one into second one, plus third one into third one, by root of sum of the square, root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square formula. Next, vector form. The angle between the two lines when their equations are, vector form means given the vector equations. Okay, vector equations are given. Find the angle between the two lines means these are r bar and r bar to the vector equation. Vector equations are given. Find the angle cos theta is equal to only the a bar, a1 bar and a2 bar is a point. Points are not considered. Only vectors are considered. So lambda into b1 bar, lambda into b2 bar. First we have to find out b1 dot b2. How to find out b1 dot b2 in the vectors? In the vector, the dot product bar or scalar product, that is b1 dot b bar. This is mod b1 bar into mod b2 bar, modulus root of a square plus b square plus c square. Cartesian form. If theta is the angle between the two lines, Theta is the angle between the two lines. The two lines are x1 x minus x1 by a1 x minus y minus y1 by b1 c1 x minus x2 by a2 y minus y2 b2. Here only points are not considered. Here vector form also and Cartesian form also. A bar b a2 bar is the points. Here x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z is not important. Only ratios a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. The Cartesian form is always x minus, the Cartesian form is always x minus something, x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1, not 1 minus x 2 minus y, it is not one, reverse. Okay, that type of Cartesian equation converted into x minus x1, x minus or plus, compulsory x minus. Okay, x minus something 1 or 2 or 3 or y minus, not 1 minus x 2 minus y, it is a reverse. So first the given Cartesian equation convert into this is normal equation type. Okay, so not x minus x2, x2 x3 x are constants, x y z are the variable, that means point. Okay, same point cos theta. Next, very important, maximum 99.9%, 99.9% compulsory question. What is the question? Shortest distance. So shortest distance between two lines OR are simply the distance between the two lines. The distance between the two lines is a Cartesian form is there and vector form, both are there. So the shortest distance between OR or distance between the two lines in first vector form. The shortest distance between the two lines r bar is equal to vector lines a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar. The equation of a line a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar, r bar is equal to this one. Here first we have to find out b1 bar cross b2 bar. b1 is a vector, b2 is a vector, b1 bar cross b2 bar is a vector. Okay, dot, this is the scalar product, dot, a2 minus a1, a2 is a vector, a1 is a vector, so a2 minus a1 both are vector, a2 minus a1 also vector. So b1 cross b1 vector, a2 minus a vector, both vector, dot product. Two vectors dot product is a real number, real number means any value. So by b1 cross b2 modulus of b1 cross b2, formula root of a square plus b square formula. Cartesian form, this is the Cartesian equations, x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 or z minus z1 by c1, and both equations are there. The distance d is equal to, first this is the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. How to do first row? First row is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 is the first row. And the second row is the first line direction ratios a1, b1, c1. And the third row is the direction ratios of second line a2, b2, c2. And find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix by using the expanding method, plus minus plus method, by root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. This is shortest distance. So first determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, first row is the only point difference x2 minus x1, y2 minus 5, z2 minus z1. The second row is the direction ratios of first line, third row is the direction ratios of third line, and formula, and each and every one is there, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, all values are there. Apply the given formula. Or another formula is there, the shortest distance of parallel lines. These lines are shortest distance between the two lines are non-parallel lines, non-parallel line distance. So next formula is the shortest distance between the two parallel lines, ORR, the distance between the two parallel lines parallel lines formula also there. So tomorrow I will explain the parallel lines formula and start the exercise. So start the exercise means, so first of all, each and every formula, don't confusion. So the equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to the vector. Equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. Formula vector form R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Cartesian form x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by bc1. So the equation of a line passing through 2 points, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. Cartesian form, angle between the two lines, direction ratios are given. So vector form, Cartesian form, shortest distance, vector form, Cartesian form. Shortest distance problem is 100% important 3 marks question. And this is the parallel lines and passing the 2 points, angle between the two lines. The three concepts are very important to 2 marks question. Okay, clear? All are perfect. Will perfect. So tomorrow I will continue the exercise. Clear?